guys, it's your girl Traveling Beauty here. I just wanted to make a quick video on a DIY deck that my family and I did while we were on quarantine home here. We wanted to build a deck. We wanted to extend our outdoor living space and enjoy more of what is to come. Since we're under quarantine, we do spend a lot of time outside. Don't mind the colors that I do have on. I was actually in the garage working out, and my husband came back with all the wood and everything, and I just threw on a top and I was ready to help. Here I am trying to help. Don't even know what I'm doing. Say no more. If you do like these types of videos, please stick around and continue watching. Here's my son. We are trying to get all that old concrete and dirt from where is going to be, soon to be, my garden. I'm gonna put a few flowers back there and plants. So far it's coming along. I just love the way this is turning out. So excited. Here I am again on the scene, always looking for imperfections. Also, I'm here to help. Always giving directions, of course. And guys, we did this for under $300. If we can do it, so can you. Alright, and my husband here, he gave me the opportunity to use that saw, and I was really excited. Alright, and this is the next day. I pulled all the patio furniture onto that new outdoor living space to see if anything will fall apart, because I am a perfectionist. And so far so good. I really like it. Tell me what you think in the comments. It is extended. It is very firm. Yeah, I like it. I really do. I still have to pick a color and get it stained, but for right now, we love it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you.